Do you know that you can use alligator pepper to call money and opportunities? So many people have asked me this question, Gideon, how can I use alligator pepper to call money and opportunities? How can I use alligator pepper to attract money? How can I use alligator pepper to make my business move forward? That is why I'm making this video, to teach you how you can use alligator pepper to call money and opportunities. Okay, use alligator pepper to call money and you start seeing money. Okay, if things are not working out for you, if nobody is giving you financial assistance, if nobody is helping you in life, even when you try to beg, even when opportunity is close to you, something will happen and that opportunity will pass you, you will not get it. Okay, we call it near success syndrome. Okay, so many people are going through this problem. When they are close to their breakthrough, something will happen and they will miss that opportunity. You can use alligator pepper to rewrite that story of yours. Now people are laughing at you, people are mocking you, people are saying, look at him, look at her. Okay, life is so hard for her. You can change that story today using alligator pepper. Now why you need to use alligator pepper is because it's a powerful spiritual item. It doesn't go out on a journey and return back without accomplishing its mission. Okay, so you need to know this. Alligator pepper is something that everyone should have in their home. Even in your car, you need to have it for protection. Okay, alligator pepper is very powerful spiritual item. If you go through my videos, you find out that I have made a lot of videos using alligator pepper. Why? Because I know how important it is. I know how it works. Okay, so you need to learn these things. You need to have alligator pepper at home. Now, like I said, I'm going to teach you how you can use alligator pepper to call money and opportunities. Okay, if you are going for a job interview, if you have something that you are looking for, like an opportunity that you are praying for, you need to watch this video. You need to practice this assignment I'm going to teach you. Okay, so make sure that you have your alligator pepper, and if you are a first time user, you place it behind you. Okay, open it from your back, then bring it to your front. That's if you're a first time user. Okay, so for you to do this, you need to have your alligator pepper. Okay, for those that have not seen alligator pepper before, this is what I'm talking about. This is alligator pepper. This is what I'm talking about. Okay, this is how it is, alligator pepper. Now, when you get alligator pepper in the morning, you are going to do this in the morning. Okay, you are going to do this in the morning. When you get alligator pepper, you are going to open it from your behind, then bring it to your front. Now, when you bring it to your front, you take 7 seed. Okay, now when you take a 7 seed, you are going to put it inside your right palm. Like you put it inside your right palm. 7 seed of this alligator, put it inside your right palm, and you are going to speak a word of financial abundance. You are going to speak a word of financial abundance. Okay, what you are going to say is that money come to me easily. Favor locates me today. Okay, my hand will handle great wealth. Okay, you say money come to me easily. Favor locates me today. My hands will handle great wealth. Okay, as I have said it, so shall it be. Okay, now after speaking these words, you are going to take that 7 seed of alligator pepper that you have placed inside your hand. Okay, and chew it. Okay, now when you chew it, you can either swallow it or you blow it out. That's, you spit it out on your east side. Okay, it's either you swallow it or you spit it out on the east side. Okay, this assignment is something that you are going to do in the morning. Okay, if you are calling for money, that is when you are going to do this. If your problem is money, if what you want to use it for is about money, if you're not getting financial help or financial assistance, this is how you do it. Okay, this is how you do it. Now if you are using it for an opportunity, if you are looking for a job or you are applying for a job, you want a job to be given to you, or you have a contract that you are looking for, you want them to give you that contract, or you have submitted a quotation or application and you want them to give you that job, this is how you're going to use it for that opportunity. Okay, so if you are going for an opportunity, you are going to be needing 21 seed of this alligator pepper. Okay, 21 seed of the alligator pepper. Okay, now that 21 seed of this alligator pepper, you are going to put it as well inside your right hand. Okay, when you put it inside your right hand, okay, you are going to make your request. Okay, you are going to make your request. That 21 seed of alligator pepper you have in your hand, you are going to make a request. Say what you want to say. You say like, this job will be given to me. okay, that I have submitted this application, I will get this job. No matter the competitors, no matter whoever that will come to, challenge me to get this job, it must surely be mine. I must surely get this job. I must surely get this contract. Okay. This job will be mine. You say what you want to say. Okay. Now, after saying everything that you want to say, then you are going to blow a breeze 3 times on that 21 seed of that alligator pepper. Okay. You blow breeze on that 21 seed of it. You blow first one, you blow second one, you blow third one. Okay. Now, after blowing the breeze on that 21 seed of that alligator pepper, you are going to take that 21 seed of alligator pepper, okay, from your window, you are going to throw it outside, okay. From your window, you're going to throw it outside. Now, if you don't want to throw it outside from your window, you can go out on a crossroad where people are crossing, okay, and you throw out that 21 seed of this alligator pepper. Now, once you finish doing this, okay, you give yourself 7 days from that moment, okay. 7 days from that moment that you have finished doing this assignment, you are going to start seeing a positive result, okay. You're going to start seeing a positive result. Don't be surprised when they are going to call you that you are being approved or you are qualified for the job, okay, and they are going to give you that job, okay. This is a simple remedy that you can do to use alligator pepper to call money and opportunity. And this opportunity that you are doing the work with alligator pepper, you can do it anytime, okay. But for money, you are going to do it in the morning, okay. If you're doing it for money, like I said before, you're going to do it in the morning. But for opportunity, you can use the alligator pepper anytime, okay. There is no specific time, but make sure that you follow the steps, you follow the procedure, okay. Do it the way I direct you, and you are going to see that they are going to give you that job. You are going to get that opportunity that you are looking for. Okay, this is going to transform your life. This is going to change the story of your life. Those that have been mocking you, those that have been laughing at you, those that have been saying that you cannot, amount to anything, this is going to change your story. Okay, so try and carry out this spiritual recipe, try and do this spiritual assignment today, and you will never regret doing it. Okay, and if you have any question that you want to ask, maybe something that is bothering your mind, something that you want to ask, use the comment section. This comment section is open. Okay, ask your question on the comment section. I will reply you by the special grace of God. Once I see it, I'll reply you. And if you want to talk to me directly, maybe you have something that you want us to discuss privately, something that is bothering your mind or anything, my number is on the screen. That's my WhatsApp number. Just chat me up on WhatsApp number so that we'll talk. Okay, don't call, just chat me up on WhatsApp so that we'll talk. Okay, life is spiritual and it is spiritually that control the physical. A lot of people don't know about this. And the alligator pepper is something that anybody should not joke with. It's very, very powerful. Okay, you need to have it in your house and you need to have it in your car. Even anywhere you're going, you need to have it with you because it's going to help you for protection. Okay, because the life is full of evil. So many people are moving around with evil intention. So if you have alligator pepper, it's going to be helping you, escape these people. It's going to help protect you from evil and harm. Okay, so try and do this assignment today, and you never regret doing it. Okay, so see you guys in my next video.